Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale personal injury cases with LegalMatch, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by familiarizing yourself with LegalMatch and its features. Create an account on the LegalMatch platform to access their services. Input your practice details, including the types of personal injury cases you handle. Set your geographic preferences to target specific areas for client leads. Explore the dashboard to understand the available tools and resources. Utilize the client intake form to gather pertinent information easily. Review client cases that match your expertise and geographical focus. Respond quickly to potential client inquiries to increase your chances of securing a case. Develop a communication strategy that outlines how you will follow up with leads. Leverage LegalMatch's marketing resources, such as targeted ads and social media support. Maintain an updated profile to attract more potential clients. Network with other professionals on the platform to share referrals. Use the case management tools to organize and track your active cases efficiently. Seek feedback from clients after case resolution to enhance your services. Analyze case outcomes to refine your approach and improve future results. Stay informed about industry trends and updates from LegalMatch to maximize your growth. Implement a continuous learning mindset to adapt to changes in personal injury law. Engage with LegalMatch's support team for assistance or to clarify any questions. Monitor your progress regularly to assess the effectiveness of your scaling strategy. Adjust your methods based on performance metrics and client feedback. Commit to ongoing education and professional development to stay ahead in your field. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.